Welcome to Yasmeen Simplifies. In the previous video, we have learned about the concept of probability, the card concept, which is the most important, and the formulas of probability. In this video, we'll be understanding probability with the help of a problem solving. So let's start. The first question we have is a spinner having the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is spun. That means there is a spinner and every section of the spinner has few numbers which are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means how many total numbers we have? 6. 3 plus 3. So the question we have to answer is, what is the probability of getting a 5? What is the chance of getting that when a spinner is spun, we'll be getting a 5? Second, a prime number, and third, an odd number. So these are our favorable outcomes that we have to find. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it for better understanding of this question. So the formula of probability is probability of an event. What is the event? The question which is asked to us. That means first part is a 5. So event over here is probability of getting a 5. So the event will be probability और event में यहाँ पर आएगा getting 5. Formula is number of favorable outcomes, that means that can come, plus upon total number of possible outcomes. कितने outcomes possible है? For example, total numbers on a spinner is 6. कितने नंबर है? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो कितने possible outcomes होंगे? 6. क्योंकि whenever a spinner is spun, तो कितने नंबर्स आ सकते हैं उसमें से? एक नंबर आएगा आउट ऑफ कितना? 6 नंबर. तो 6 नंबर हमारे क्या पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है, मतलब इन्हीं 6 नंबर में से कोई ना कोई नंबर आएगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है कि 5 आएगा. नाउ वी हैव टू एनालाइज कि इन 6 नंबर में 5 कितने टाइम्स दिया गया है? एक बार. स्पन अगर स्पिनर एक बार स्पन किया जाए, एक बार स्पिन किया जाए तो 5 कितनी बार आ सकता है? एक बार आ सकता है. नाउ लेट्स सी विद द फॉर्मूला. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, कितने पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है? 6. कैसे? जितने नंबर्स दिए हैं, कोई भी स्पिनर स्पिन करा जाए, इन 6 में से कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ 5 इज 1, क्योंकि एक ही 5 दिया हुआ है. अगर यहाँ पे 2 दिए जाते तो वी वुड हैव रिटन एज 2, क्योंकि एक बार स्पिन करा 5 आ जाएगा, दूसरी बार स्पिन करें 5 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, लेकिन एक बार में एक ही आएगा. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ 5 इज favorable outcome, that is 1, upon possible outcomes, which is 6. So probability of getting a 5 is 1 upon 6. Next is a prime number. Prime number. Probability of getting a prime number. How many prime numbers we have? 2, 3, 5, 7. As per this, कितने नंबर दिए? 6 नंबर दिए. 2, 3, 5, 7. इसमें कितने? 4 प्राइम नंबर है. तो हमारे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स विल बी 4. एंड टोटल आउटकम्स कितने? एज गिवन 6. नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स 4. So probability of getting a prime number is number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes कितने? 4. Possible outcomes कितने? 6. Lowest term में हमेशा we write answer in the lowest term or the place till which it can be cancelled. That is the lowest term ultimately. So it will be 2 upon 3. Now the next part which is asked is an odd number. Probability of getting an odd number. इसमें odd number चेक करेंगे जो हमारा दिया हुआ है. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. कितने odd number है इसमें? 3, 5, 7. 3 odd numbers we have. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितने होंगे? 6. कितने दिए गए? पॉसिबल आउटकम्स कितने दिए गए? 6 दिए हैं. 6 नंबर लिखे हुए हैं. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू. दिस पार्ट you have to try this question. I have already told you how many odd numbers are there. तो वो बन जाएगा आपका favorable outcomes. Now you all have already aware of it that how many possible outcomes are 6. So apply the formula and complete this part for better understanding how you got this question and how you have learned. Then check your answer which is given in the comment box. Now let's move ahead. Let's do the next question. Now this question is based on a die concept. Die concept है, coin concept है, spinner concept is there. Then there is card concept and ball concept. Card and ball concept is really very very important. I will be teaching that in the next video, and it is very special from the point of view of boards as well. It will not leave you till your boards exam as well. So you have to understand the card concept and ball concept very carefully. So back to the question. Second part is, a die is tossed once. We all are aware of a die. Die has six faces. जो लूडो वाला die होता है, it has six faces, and on every face there is a unique number given, which is from 1 to 6. Now the question asked is, what is the probability of the number 7? Now if we know that a die has six faces and उसपे numbers are also given till 6 only, 7 number doesn't exist only. So ideally 7 number की occurrence की possibility या chance of getting a number 7 is not there, that is 0. Ideally and logically the probability is 0. So let's understand from the point of view of the formula. So no face of the die is marked with number 7. तो हमारा favorable outcome will be 0. Favorable outcome will be 0. यहाँ पर लिख दिया. And divided by possible outcomes. कितने possible? जब भी die will be tossed 1 to 6 में से कोई एक नंबर आएगा. 6 हमारे possible outcomes हो गए. So 0 upon 6 ultimately becomes 0. So this is clear. So probability of getting a number 7 is 0. Next part of the question is, what is the probability of a number less than 7? What is the chance of occurrence a number which is less than 7? Now let's understand, on a die, all the number which is given is from 1 to 6, which is obviously less than 7. So favorable outcomes, that means which occurs the question, which matches the question is all 6 numbers, क्योंकि सारे 6 numbers जो हैं वो less than 7 है. So the favorable outcomes over here will be 6. एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, कितने आउटकम्स आ सकते हैं? मैक्सिमम 6 है. फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आर आल्सो 6, क्योंकि नंबर लेस देन 7 चाहिए और सारे नंबर लेस देन 7 है. तो जैसे भी डाई को टॉस करा जाए, देयर विल बी नंबर व्हिच विल बी लेस देन 7 ओनली. So as per formula, we will put favorable outcomes and possible outcomes and we'll get the probability. So probability of number less than 7 is number of favorable outcomes we have already found, just 6. Number of possible outcomes we already know, and the answer is 1. So I hope you guys have understood the question very well, and understood the concept also. In case of any query, do comment in the comment box. Subscribe, keep watching the Yasmeen Simplifies, and let me know if there is any query in any part or in any portion, or you want to learn any other chapter. So keep sharing, keep watching, understand better. Thank you. Bye bye.